Hey, my name is Ralph and I'm with Flex Film, and we're going to do a quick review on a new tool that's been out called the Reach. The Tri-Edge company, or the company that puts out the Tri-Edge tools, are manufacturing this tool. This tool is basically designed to reach hard to get to areas, like at the back of rear windows in cars, or maybe at the bottom of front windshields. That would be really good examples. This tool is primarily made of a plastic, sort of a stiff, but yet flexible plastic technology. Integrated rubber squeegee. Where you see the gray here. This tool can push water and pull water, depending on how you use this tool. It is said that that one side's different than the other in the description in the catalog. I haven't used this tool enough to kind of know what they're talking about, but I have used it, and I found that it was pretty convenient to just do what it says. And I didn't find out, any other thing I could do with it, with like vinyl or paint protection. This was just simply one of those convenient tools. I don't know if you would use this tool every day, but you could. It depends on how much you tint, what you tint. But it seemed to me that it's one of these tools that when you need it, you're glad you have it. But it's the Reach. It's really, I could say very friendly to get down there and push water out. I'm not going to talk bad about any other tools, but I've had some that have handles on them, and they get down there, and if I put too much pressure on them, the plastic can touch the film and actually damage the film, because the squeegee blade in there is flexible, and there's just no component on this. I don't care how you twist it or turn it, that's going to damage the film. So that's one plus about this that I really like. But this is the Reach.